you are in the right place. Hello everybody, Francesco here and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about 5 killer apps for your galaxytab S9, S9 Plus, S9 Ultra. These 5 apps are Xodo, a PDF reader with powerful text editing functions, PressReader, which is a newspaper and magazines app. The third app I want to talk about is Lightroom. This is a very well-known app for photo editing. For sure, many of you already know its version for Windows or Mac, but we will take a look at the advantages of the mobile app. Especially if you have this tablet, you can use its pen to precisely select masks and add the gradients and effects to your photo editing process. The fourth thing I want to talk about is split screen. And this way you can access the multitasking of your tablet and use a lot of apps at the same time. You can have, for example, on one side Google Maps, at the same time you are checking Reddit tips, for example, and you want to write everything down in your notes. So the powerful thing is that on multitasking you can keep all these apps open at the same time in different portions of your screen and work with them and copy and paste, select screenshots, everything at the same time. The last case use I want to show you is called second screen. It's a native function of your tablet and this allows you to connect wirelessly your tablet to the computer and use the tablet as a second monitor, in particular a second touchscreen monitor. So let's dive in, let's go. You are in the right place. Your tablet is a great reading device. You're reading something, you highlight it, and you want to have it ready at hand on your PC, tablet and phone. Xodo is a free PDF annotator and document management app that lets you view, edit and annotate PDFs on the go. There are two main reasons why I love Xodo. First, it seamlessly integrates with Google Drive. This means all your PDFs are synced across your devices, making it super convenient to access them anytime, anywhere. Second, Xodo's annotation tools are top-notch. You can highlight text, add notes, and even draw on your PDFs. This makes it perfect for studying, reviewing documents, or just keeping track of your ideas. PressReader is a digital newsstand that curates thousands of high-quality newspapers and magazines from around the world. PressReader is all about convenience and quality. With their user-friendly interface, you can enjoy your favorite publications in a reading-friendly format, perfect for catching up on the news during your morning coffee break. Pro tip: free access with library subscriptions. Normally, PressReader requires a monthly subscription, but here is a money-saving tip. Many libraries offer free PressReader subscription to their members. In Berlin, for example, a year's access costs just 10 euros through the local library. Drop a like if you find this tip useful. Lightroom Mobile lets you edit your photos on the go, transforming your tablet into a powerful editing suite. If you have a Samsung Galaxy tablet with an S Pen, you're in for a treat. The S Pen pressure sensitivity makes it perfect for creating precise mask contours in your edits, giving you professional level control. The beauty of Lightroom Mobile is its flexibility. You can download photos for editing from cloud storage services like Amazon Photos, perfect for kicking back on the sofa and getting creative. Pro tip! Prime members, listen up! Amazon Photos offers unlimited photo storage, making it a great way to store your photos and access them for editing on Lightroom Mobile. You know that feeling, you're fired up to plan a trip, but then reality hits. Suddenly you're juggling a million tabs, maps for routes, Reddit for hidden gems, and scrambling to write everything down before you forget. Split screen lets you view and interact with two apps simultaneously, side by side on your screen. This is a game changer for multitasking, especially for students and working professionals. Learning a language? Use split screen with your language learning app on one side and the dictionary or translation app on the other. Look up new words and practice on the fly. Preparing a presentation, split screen lets you multitask like a pro. Pull up your presentation app on one side and your reference material or browser on the other. Effortlessly switch between them to build your slides and stay on track. Imagine you're organizing a trip. You can have Google Maps open on one side for researching routes and Google Flights on the other to compare prices. Need more info? Open Reddit on the split screen to browse travel tips and recommendations. And keep your Notes app open to write down everything you find. Split screen is a powerful tool for multitasking on your Samsung device. Give it a try next time you need to juggle multiple apps. Extending your desktop to a second monitor unlocks a whole new level of productivity, especially when paired with OneNote. Imagine having OneNote open on your second monitor. Now you can brainstorm, research and take notes, all while keeping your main work screen clutter-free. Drag articles, reference materials, or anything you need right onto your OneNote canvas for easy access. Of course, we are talking about the fully feature-loaded version of OneNote for Windows. Of course, the second monitor isn't limited to OneNote, and keep in mind that it is an OLED screen. A second monitor is a game changer for multitasking on your Windows PC. Boost your productivity and workflow with this simple setup. Let me know your favorite ways to use a second monitor in the comments below. Alright everyone, what have we learned today? Your galaxytab is a fantastic tool to boost your productivity and creativity. In this video today we explored Xodo for managing PDFs on the go, PressReader for staying informed with high quality reading materials, Lightroom Mobile for photo editing with powerful tools, Samsung One UI multitasking feature for juggling multiple apps, and the advantage of using a second monitor with OneNote for Windows. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who wants to get more organized, these apps and features offer a solid way to streamline your workflow and make your life easier. So why not to explore them and see how they can help you? Don't hesitate to leave a comment below with any question or your favorite productivity app, and subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. Ciao!